Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and welcome to part 3 of my What's in My Planner series. This section is what I call my home section. It's just cleaning, but yeah, if I come up with any other things that are to do with the home, it will go into this section. So I just wanted to take you through and show you some of the templates and pages that I've created to put in this section of my planner. So if this is the first video you're watching, make sure you have a look in the description box below and check out part 1 and part 2, because I've gone through other sections in my planner in those videos. Just to keep it short and sweet. I don't want this to be like an hour-long video going through the whole planner, but just to give you guys an idea of some of the blank templates that I've come up with to use within my planner. So like I said, this is the home/cleaning section. And the first template I've created here is just my basic cleaning routine. So what I've got here is my weekly routine. So each one of these represents Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and what I like to clean on those days within the week. So I try to get the bulk of my cleaning done from Tuesday through to Friday. That way it leaves me with a free weekend. Mondays, I don't tend to do anything because Jamie and I are at cadets and we don't normally get home till about 9:30. So I'm not doing any cleaning after 9:30. So yeah, the bulk of the cleaning I try to get done within these 4 days. And I've sort of put different rooms, what I like to clean on each of those days. Also, as part of my cleaning routine is just a small daily task list, which I like to do. And I try to do 1 load of washing, 1 load of folding and putting away the dishes, wiping the kitchen benches, and a 10-minute pickup each day. Now that all doesn't always happen, but in an ideal world, that's what I'd like to try and keep on top of every day. Otherwise, it just starts to stack up too much. So yeah, if I can do that each day, I can try and keep on top of my house. And then this section here is for seasonal cleaning and different things that need to happen within the seasons. Again, I haven't listed anything in these yet, but as I think of things that need to be done, I will put those in those boxes there. So we've got summer, autumn, winter, and spring. And these little icons were just from my iMac. And these little boxes I've just created using program on the iMac. And this was just a clip art icon on the iMac as well. So that's the first page. Now the second page here I've created is like a monthly declutter and deep clean. So for each month of the year, I try to focus on that room, doing a whole top to bottom clean. So if there are marks on the walls that need repainting, windows that need cleaning, the whole top to toe spring clean, declutter and reorganize of that room each month. So I've set out all the different rooms over the year to give that a full top to tail. So that's the monthly declutter and deep clean. So these next few pages come from the website Home Storage Solutions 101. And it's a 52-week organized home challenge. Now this is the 2019 one, but I still plan to use this next year. I probably don't follow it exactly to the T, but it sets out a monthly calendar, and each day of the week, it gives you a certain area of your house to declutter and clean and organize. So if you actually go onto the website and click on each of these links, it will take you through to a detailed what you need to do to clean that area of the house, all the different things you need to tick off when you're doing a declutter and organize of that area. Those I've printed off for the full year of 2019, but I will be using these pages for next year as well. So, to me, it doesn't matter what year it is, still the same thing. So that's the next few pages is pretty much 1 month of each of those. And I'll leave a link to that website down below for you guys. The next page is another image that I've printed off. I think this might have been off Pinterest. And it's just an idea of a monthly cleaning schedule using different zones of your house. It's not something I exactly follow, but I just printed it off and like having it in my planner just to give me an idea of different ways I can set up my cleaning routine and that sort of thing. The next one, again, is just from a Pinterest page. It's just a 30-day declutter challenge, just something fun that if I feel like following 1 month, I will put, I've got that sitting in my diary as a little reminder. Again, here's another 30 days of decluttering challenge that I've just printed off the internet. I think this one is from LiveItLikeLisa.blogspot.com, and then I've just ended it with a fun picture again that I found off the internet and I just decorated my planner with that. So that's my next section of my planner, which is my home and cleaning section. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope it's giving you some ideas of different templates you can include in your own planner. And if you are enjoying this series, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video in the series. And I will leave a link to the previous couple of videos in the description box below if you want to check those out. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.